59 divided by 3. Here 3 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 3. 3 times 0 0, 3 times 1 3, 3 times 2 6, 3 times 3 9, 3 times 4 12. To find out the multiplication table of 3, just add 3 with the previous step. 0 plus 3 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 12. 3 goes into 5 how many times? 2 times 6, which is getter, so 1 time, write 1. 1 times 3 3. Subtract, you are getting 2. Bring down this digit. 3 goes into 29 how many times? 3 times 10, 30, which is getter, so 9 times. 9 times 3 27. Subtract, you are getting 2. Since this number is less than divisor, so this is remainder. So our answer is 19, remainder 2. But if you want to write your answer in decimal form, then convert your dividend into decimal, taking decimal, then add 0. Bring down the first 0. Before this 0 there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 3 goes into 20 how many times? 7 times 21, which is get us so 6 times. So 6 times 3 18. Subtract 2. Bring down another 0. Again you are getting 3 goes into 26 times. 6 times 3 18. Subtract 2. Bring down another 0. 20. 3 goes into 26 times. 6 times 3 18. Subtract 2. You can bring down more 0, but since we have gotten 3 digit after decimal, we can place 3 dot. Our answer is 19.666 dot dot dot. You can place a bar over 6 to mean that this digit is repeating. So our answer is 19.6 bar.